An inauguration ceremony for the completed houses under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin was held at Mawphansyiar village, marking a key achievement in the government's effort to provide affordable housing for rural citizens. The event was attended by Remington Gable Momin, MLA of Rambrai Jirngam and Chairman of MMDC Limited as chief guest and others. During his address, Momin reaffirmed the government's commitment to improving rural housing and administered the Awas Divas pledge, encouraging communities to support inclusive development. A total of 20 households received completion certificates under the scheme.
Do your best to present yourself to government. Các ban lại yêu thì hấp trepa. To presang smart ban idea tadi balap yang hunda ubli gung unung tre. You should the best worker.